Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making chicken mull, which is a regional chicken stew from North Carolina. I believe it originated, though it has migrated south down towards South Carolina as well as parts of Georgia. To start off the recipe, I've added one roughly 4-pound chicken into a stock pot, and then I'll be adding in 2 onions that I've quartered, and 4 stalks of celery that I've roughly chopped, 5 cloves of lightly crushed garlic, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon each of kosher salt and whole black peppercorns, 5 sprigs of thyme, 4 cups of chicken stock, and finally 5 cups of water. Now that this has come up to a simmer, I'll go ahead and pop a lid on it and allow it to continue simmering for an hour or until the chicken is cooked all the way through. Once the chicken is cooked all the way through, I'll be setting it over on a cutting board and allowing it to cool down just long enough until I can remove the skin and bones and shred the meat. While I'm letting the chicken cool down, I'll go ahead and start removing all of the solids into a strainer to remove them from the broth. Now that I have the vegetables strained out of the broth, I'll be adding in 1 entire sleeve of saltine crackers. Then I'll allow these to simmer for about 3 minutes or until they completely dissolve into the broth. Now that the saltines have softened up, I'm going to remove half of the broth over to a blender and then puree it until it's smooth. Once that's blended, I'll add it back into the stock, along with the chicken that I shredded, and 1 cup of heavy cream. I'm going to let this simmer for an additional 10 to 15 minutes just to allow the chicken and the heavy cream to warm up. I've garnished the top of the chicken mull with just a few drops of hot sauce, and I've also topped it with a few oyster crackers. So now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. I'm going to get a little bite of it without the hot sauce first. This is a phenomenal chicken stew. The saltine crackers and the heavy cream have really helped thicken up that stock. I get the flavors of the thyme and the garlic and the other aromatics that I added in while the chicken was cooking. I like the vinegary pop of flavor from the hot sauce. It really boosts all the flavors that are in the chicken stew. Overall, as I said, it's absolutely phenomenal. I'm really glad I stumbled across this recipe and took a chance on it, because this is something I definitely want to make again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And also, if you have a regional recipe you'd like me to try out, let me know down in the comments section. But thank you all so very much for joining me. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.